The topic here is finding derivative using limit definition. The definition is f prime of a is equal limit of f of a plus h minus f of a over h as h approach 0. So let's do this example. We need to use a limit definition to find f prime of 2. So by definition, f prime of 2 is equal limit as h approach 0 of f of 2 plus h minus f of 2 divided by h. Now this is equal to a limit as h approach 0. Now first we need to do f of 2 plus h. F of 2 plus h means plugging 2 plus h into x, right here, into the function. So plug it in means that becomes 2 over 2 plus h. That's our input, 2 plus h. Minus f of 2 means plugging 2 into the function. If you plug it in, you get 2 over 2. Everything is divided by h. Now, 2 over 2 is 1. So this would be a limit of 2 over 2 plus h minus 1. 1 is the same thing as 1 over 1 divided by h as h approach 0. Now we need to do common denominator. The common denominator of 2 plus h and 1 is 2 plus h. So I'm going to multiply the bottom here by 2 plus h and the top by 2 plus h. And then this becomes, so this is f prime of 2. So f prime of 2 is equal to limit as h approach 0. Now, since they have same denominator, that will be 2 minus 2 plus h divided by 2 plus h as h approach 0. Now, next step, we need to distribute negative 1. So, limit 2 minus h, I'm distributing negative 1, over 2 plus h, everything over h as h approach 0. I'm going to cancel 2 minus 2. So, f prime of 2 is equal limit of negative h divided by 2 plus h over h as h approach 0. Now this is the same thing as divided by h over 1. So now I'm going to use division of fractions. So to divide by h over 1 is the same thing as multiply by 1 over h. So this is the same thing as a limit negative h over 2 plus h times 1 over h as h approach 0. Now I'm going to simplify this one, and this will be limit. Simplify the h, you get limit of minus 1 over 2 plus h as h approach 0. Now if you plug in a 0 for h, you get negative 1 over 2. And that would be f prime of 2. Now, the question here is, what is the slope of the tangent line at x equal 2? Now, remember, the slope of a tangent line at x equal 2, by definition, is f prime of 2, which is negative 1/2. Now, for question C, we need to find the equation of a tangent line at x equal 2. We know the slope of the tangent line at x equal 2 is negative 1/2. All we need is a point to find equation of a line. The point, do we have x? Yes, x is equal to. Now we need the y value. How do we find the y value? Plug it in. Y is equal 2 over x means y is equal 2 over x is 2, which means 1. So the y is 1. Now this is my x1, this is my y1. I know the equation of a line is y minus y1 equal m x minus x1, which means y minus 1 is equal, the slope is negative 1/2, x minus x1 is 2. Now all I need to do is distribute y minus 1 is equal negative 1/2 x. Negative 1/2 times negative 2 is plus 1. Now I'm going to add 1 to both sides, and I get y equal negative 1/2 x plus 2, and that would be the equation of the tangent line. And that's it.